Hello everyone, my name is Maryam Omar and I'll be your Power Platform consultant for Contoso who will be working with Contoso sales. Agenda for today's presentation is basically the scenario, which is the problem, and then we'll be working on the requirements, the proposed solution, the steps that we took to approach that solution, and then I'll be switching to Power BI to show you my work or the solution, and then the end I'll leave some seconds to answer your questions. So I hope everyone is with me for now. Let's go ahead and start. So basically, Contoso approached us with the problem that they have tons of data and they want to know the sales, returns, and profits by each store and salesperson. So they have tons of data, but they have no quick way of looking at the data. So basically, the requirements are to get volume of sales and returns, all these numbers and sales and profits by salesperson. So, keeping those requirements in mind, and because we were dealing with data that need to be organized, transformed, and then analyzed, uh, our, prop- our proposed solution is basically a report, a dashboard, and an app. To solve this problem, we're basically getting the data and transforming it. After transformation, building a design model and then building a Power BI report using Power BI desktop and creating a dashboard using Power BI service. And then we're going to create an app so that the managers, store managers, can quickly view the reports and dashboards on their phone devices. So, so now I'll be switching to Power BI to show you my work, the solution. So this is basically my data model, which consists of four tables. So Oris tables is basically the fact tables, which will tell us about sales, profits, and returns. And salesperson, date, and product are my dimension table. Based on this data models, I created this sales analysis report. So basically, there are five visualizations. So the first one is sales and profits by year. So if they are interested in finding the sales and profits by the year, this is where they need to look, and they can drill down to months and years. So basically, it's drilling down to quarters and months. So the second visual is basically the volume of sales and returns, which is going to tell us the total number of orders and returns. And the third is sales by region. And these all filters are actually acting as slices too. Like if I click on East side, if I choose the East region, you can see all the values, all the sales and returns are changed accordingly. So another important requirement was to find the sales and profits by salesperson. So my tree map is basically giving us the information about the sales and profits generated by each salesperson. The last visual is basically the sales by categories. So this is basically the sales by categories, and then I can drill down to subcategories and the product name. So we can see which products or subcategories are generating the most revenue. So based on this report, I went into Power BI service and then I created dashboard based on their requirements. But the beauty of Power BI is that you can change this dashboard based on your requirements. Like if in future you just want to look at the sales by category, you just pin that visual to your dashboard. Okay, so the last important part, which was to, okay, I have the report and dashboard. How do I make it accessible for the managers? For that purpose, I created an app. So basically, which consists of this report and a dashboard. So the managers can quickly look at all the data and just interact with it on their phones. So whichever dashboard they are interested in, they can just go and look at on your phone. So moving back to the presentation. So basically this solution had its challenges too. And the biggest challenge was data quality. The next step would be meeting with the Contoso team, talk to them about this solution, whether they get their feedback and if they have any questions or concerns, and then also recommending them to store their data in a better way so that it can improve the quality of their data and sales result. And this is all from me. Do you guys have any questions? Thank you.